Who says natural looks are simple? Hi guys, welcome back. Today I thought it'd be fun to do a French-inspired makeup look. A little more minimalistic, a little more, I think, spring-summer appropriate, because I feel like if I'm wearing too much makeup, it's like kind of melts off. So we're going to try a nice low makeup vibe, and we're going to just because it's fun, do French-inspired red daytime lip. So not too bold of a red lip, should be fun. Stay tuned. First, I'm going to start off with some hydration. So I'll be going in with some Avene Rich Cream to get the skin ready and prepped for some makeup. I just have a little guy of this. I really liked it so far, so I might look into acquiring a larger version. But it's also kind of a fall-winter, like it's a little rich. So you really only need a tiny bit of it if it is the warmer months. Next, we'll be using one of my favorite lightweight foundations, the Kjaer Wies. It's like a serum foundation. It's a wonderful color match for me, so it doesn't really look that much like I'm wearing makeup. I just look a little perfected. It's a little smoothed over. Covers up a little bit of the redness, but still lets the skin shine through. I'm going to be brushing this on my face this time with the Sephora foundation brush number 47. Picked this up in the sale, so I've just been playing around with it a little bit. I'm going to be starting off with the foundation kind of in the middle and working it outwards so that we have a little more coverage where I need it in the areas where I have a little more redness, and then less on the outsides of the face where the skin looks pretty good. And I can do this because it's a lightweight foundation and a really good color match for me. So use whichever one is an excellent color match for you. Next, we'll go in with the Saie concealer. I've really been liking this. It's lightweight and it does have a nice illuminating finish, so it's not too matte, so it'll still look fairly natural. And a little bit goes a long way, so we'll just start with the dab. All right, there we go. And I'm not trying to like blank out all of the dark circles because that can end up looking a little heavy. So we're just trying to improve the look and enhance the natural beauty. Now I'm going to go in with a liquid product actually for bronzer, the Mercier Tinted Moisturizer Bronzer. So a little of this does go a long way, so I'm going to just put a little bit of it on the glass palette and then pick it up with a brush. I found liquid or cream products end up giving you a more natural finish, so we're going to be using as many cream products as possible today. So I picked up just like the tiniest amount on a contour brush. It's easier to start off with a little and then build. Oh yeah, that's a small amount, we're good. I'm so happy with this product. I just got it. I've only tried it a couple of times, but I always feel like it's so easy to blend. It really gives a nice finish. It doesn't look too overdone, just a little more warmth to your skin. All right, next we're gonna go in with, again, Mercier, only this time the Tinted Moisturizer Blush. I've really liked this product for a while now. I do like this particular shade I have, Southbound, for more of a spring summer vibe, so we're pulling it back out. I probably should have picked up a color for fall winter, but you know how it is, you already have something, so you just use what you have. I did forget to mention I used the shade Sundrop for the bronzer. That'll all be linked down below in case you're curious. So similarly, I'll take a little bit of this, put it on the glass palette, pick up just a little bit with a blush brush. I'm actually using the one from the Cinderella collection from Sigma. It's so pretty. Most of my blush brushes are angled. Okay, my two brushes are angled, and this one is not. This one's more of, just a fluffy powder brush, only on a smaller scale. So I want to see how this works. That is nice. I've always used my fingers with this, and a little bit does go a long way, so it's easier to kind of make a mistake if you use your fingers with this. But with the brush, I think it did a pretty nice job. And I can go back in for a little more. I feel like I have a little more control doing it this way. I picked up a little more product and was a little more aggressive with it. I think that turned out really nicely. Go back in for a touch more to even out the other side. so happy with how that turned out. That worked out really well. Thank you, Cinderella collection. All right, next we're gonna give our brows a little bit of love. I'm going to use the Saie Beauty Brow Gel. This is a very light tinted brow gel, so it adds just a little bit of color. In my case, covers up some of the grays. This is a fiber one too, so it does add just a little bit of volume, but not too much. You'll still have a very nice natural finish. Alright, now that that's done, I think we'll add a little bit to the lips. So we'll be going in with an iconic French brand. We have the YSL lipstick. We have shade 1, so they're classic red. And then since this is a daytime look, we're going to be using the classic French girl technique of just taking your finger and getting a little bit of the lipstick like that, and then just patting it on your lips. What's nice is it's really easy to build it up this way to your desired opacity. So in this case, we're not going too crazy because, you know, it's more of a daytime look. But yeah, you have the nice soft blurred effect. You know, almost slightly messy, but you know, not too much. And now we'll be finishing off this look with some mascara. We have the Formidable Lash from Lune & Aster. I like this one. I feel like it isn't too much, so it's a nice, easy daytime mascara. It does add some nice length and volume. Okay, and here we have the finished look. I think it's nice. It's a lot easier to do, requires fewer products, and it's fun to kind of switch things up, especially if you're trying to leave the house in a hurry. Just instead of saying you're doing a natural look, being, I'm doing French girl chic today. It's all in perspective. Thank you. I hope you guys had some fun, and please give a thumbs up to this video if you enjoyed it, and subscribe for some more. I can't wait to see you guys in the next video.